Kasi yung tatay ko, dahil nga po sa kahirapan, hindi kasya yung pagiging janitor niya, nagtrabaho po sa Saudi bilang cook. OFW po yung tatay ko during the time. Yung kapitbahay namin, construction supervisor, mas malaki ang sweldo. Pero itong kapitbahay namin, kada uwi, taon-taon, pag umuwi sa Saudi, may dalang color TV, yung, I don't know, those of you who are old enough, I know General would remember that, during the 70s, meron yung mga component, di ba? Yung mga Sansui, yun. 7 yung anak niya, 7 component, 7 color TV. Yung tatay ko po, walang inuwi. Kaya minsan sabi ko, ay, hindi mo ba kami mahal? Wala ka man lang pasalubong, hindi ka man lang dumadaan sa SM Appliance Store, hindi gaya ng kapitbahay natin. Eh, ang kawawa ko, pag nanonood kami ng basketball ng Chris Capayota, pinagsasarahan ako ng bintana. Ay, wala kaming TV eh. Pero kaming TV na black and white, gumaganon ko yung vertical. Eh, gusto ko makapanood ng colored. Pero unbeknownst to me, my father was investing in land. Meron pala siyang hinuhulugan na lupa sa La Trinidad, Bengue. Meron siyang hinuhulugan. Kaya nung napalayas kami, yung tatay at nanay ko, meron kaming pinagawang maliit na tahanan dun sa La Trinidad. Si Mr. Tevez hanggang ngayon, nasa squatter pa rin. So, what is the lesson that I'd like to impart to you? Invest. I'm not saying, don't even, if you don't want this investment, don't consider it, but invest. That is our way out of poverty. I know how to be poor, but you have to set aside a portion of your income to invest. At ang pinakamagandang investment, yung dinididak kagad sa sweldo mo. Kasi maraming gusto mag-invest eh. Maraming mga financial advisors will tell you, you invest. And a lot of people will say yes, but then again, after yung 30th, yung salary, hindi nila ini-invest. Ang maganda, magkaroon ka ng automatic salary deduction. Kaya kung may binabayaran ka, kagaya KC Bill, hinihiwalay mo na kagad. Dahil gagastusin mo yan eh. Ipupunta mo dun sa they got it all from us. Hindi ba? Ipupunta mo ron pag may sale. At titignan natin pag sa Baguio, sabi ko hindi ako pag may sale dun sa SM, parang libre. But the thing is that you have to invest. That is the gospel of investment. That is the way out of poverty. We have to automatically deduct from our income a way to invest. And we have offered you second, and as later on I'll explain to you what is this investment. Second is education. Why dorms? Sabi ko nga, hindi nakapag-aral yung nanay ko. Kaya sabi niya, anak, mag-eskwela ka nga. Mag-eskwela kayo gusto. Sinang Kalini. Kami Kalini guro. Sabi niya, mag-aral ka ng gusto. Dahil hindi ako nakapag-aral eh. Ikaw lang ang pride na makakatapos na bangsoy. Makakatapos na bangsoy. Sabi ng tatay ko noon, nung nasa Saudi siya, sabi ko nga, cook, di ba? Nung araw, walang Skype eh. I don't know if you remember the voice tape